Good evening, this is the Dean of all things spicy with Conjured Vaporz Peppers, and I'm here to do a pepper review. So this is a Warthog crossed with a Gator Jigsaw. So the last one that I reviewed was off of a green foliage plant. This one's off of a plant with black foliage. The lighting's not super amazing, so it's hard to see the purple shoulders on this, but there we go, right there. Anyway, the plant is right here. You can see how it's different than the green one next to it, quite a bit different. So, here we go. Warthog crossed with a Gator Jigsaw. Take 2. Different plant. So that pod was fruity all the way through. Slight hint of floral flavor at the back end. Absolutely beautiful pod. So most pods that have purple in the shoulders tend to be extremely floral. This one wasn't. Nor do I think it's hot, sadly. I'm going to give it a second, but I don't think it's that hot. So that's something that I always find very interesting. Somebody tries to cross 2 of the hottest peppers they know, and the product is not very hot. Whereas you cross something that's hot, like super hot, but hot, with something that's not super hot, and it tends to be one of the hottest peppers on the planet. It's really interesting the way that works. Okay, so now I'm starting to get some heat in the back of my throat. I have like almost nothing in my mouth, but right at my Adam's apple, it's starting to get hot. But I don't think it's going to get any hotter. There's almost no burn in my mouth at all. It still tastes super sweet all the way through my mouth. Anyway, so that was the Warthog crossed with the Gator Jigsaw. This, another one where somebody crossed 2 of the hottest peppers they knew, is RB003 crossed with the Primotalii. F2, second filial generation, and this is the caramel version. I have a red version as well. Here goes. Hopefully this one's hotter. Had to open it up because of that shadow. It looked like it was black on the inside, but it's not. Just have to make sure. It's just starting to get dark out here. Alright, so the RB003 crossed with the Primotalii F2. It started out earthy and then went bitter. The burn is mostly in my throat, a little bit on the tip of my tongue. Back of my throat's starting to light up pretty fiercely now. There goes my nose. Waiting to see if my eyes get watery. We'll see. The heat level's still climbing. I can't tell you where it resides yet. If my estimates are even close now. My tolerance is so high right now that my estimates are probably off. Still climbing. Well, hope everybody's doing okay today. How was your Tuesday? Mine was okay. Work, and then gardening. Pretty much out here every night after I clock out. So my nose is going good. I think it's peaking. Not yet. I think it's almost there. So I don't think this one's much hotter than a 7-pot Primo. I'm thinking this one's about 1.5 to 1.6 million Scoville heat units. I could be wrong. It may have been a false peak. Let's give it another second or two. Okay, another minute or two. So once again, somebody crossed two of the hottest peppers they thought they knew and came out with a pepper that's less heat than both. I don't find the RB003 to be that hot anymore. It's tasty. I actually enjoy the flavor, but it's not that hot. It's about 1.5 million probably. Anything below 1.6 million now I don't think is all that hot. So it's a long-lasting burn. That's a plus with this pepper. It's definitely peaked and heading back down. The burn is mostly in my mouth now, not in my throat. And again, started out earthy, went bitter. No floral notes that I could tell. Fairly tasty if you like powder. If you want to dehydrate a pepper and make powder, this one would be amazing. It would be pretty smoky. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm back down to, I don't know, about a 1. This is the Dean of all things spicy with Conjured Vaporz Peppers. I hope you all have an absolutely beautiful night. Tell someone tomorrow that you love them.